Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We are back with the Huafit Watch S10, and on this video we are going to explore one of its smart features, and that is the push notification function, or the smart notification. So we'll check this wearable whether it works with Messenger, WhatsApp application, Viber, Instagram, as well as SMS. We'll try it. So if you are interested to see the notification feature of the Huafit Watch S10, watch this video. And again, if you find this video demo useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin. Our Huafit Watch S10 is already paired with a Support App Glory Fit application. So we have here the Huafit S10, and as you can see here, we already turned on the SMS reminder, the app reminder. So we have here the Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, WhatsApp application, as well as the Viber app. So we'll try these applications and see if it works with the Huafit Watch S10. We have here another smartphone. So let's have a demo of the push notification. So let's start with Messenger. So let's start with Messenger. Let's send a message. So we have here Sam. So let's say hello. Hello, Sam. Let's send a message. Let's see if we'll be able to receive a notification. Message delivered. And we have here a notification. As you can see, we do have the time here, the logo, and the name of the sender, the message, and with an option to delete the message. Again, let's check notifications. We have it here. Let's have another one. Hi, how are you? Then let's add an emoji. Let's see if there's a support for emoji. Message sent. And we have here the notification. Notification, how are you? Okay, so there's no support for emoji, but still we do have here the message, the logo of the application, and the name of the sender. Let's see if it can send long messages. Let's send a message. Takes time. Let's see. We have the message here. Not yet. Again. Okay, we have here the message. So the quick brown fox and until alphabet. Okay, at least 2 sentences, I think. So it can support at least 2 sentences. The message is until end. And we have here a feature for scrolling messages. You don't need to swipe. Just to check it, it will scroll automatically. At least 2 paragraphs for our Huafit Watch S10. Next, let's have a missed call. Okay, and call. And we have here the call notification support for our Messenger. Okay, so very good so far for our Huafit Watch S10, except that there's no support for emoji. Next, let's have the Instagram. Let's send a message to Sam. Let's say hello. Message sent again. and we have here the message. So similar to Facebook or to Messenger, we have the name of the sender, the message, and we have a logo here. Is there a emoji support? We don't have an emoji support. How about the missed call? Let's see. And call. Do we have a missed call? Yes, we have a missed call notification. Okay, so it works also with our Instagram. Next, let's have the WhatsApp application. Sam. Hi, how are you? Send. Message sent. And we have here the message. Okay, it works. Next, let's try to call. Okay, so we have incoming voice call and call. So the notification for the missed call works with the WhatsApp application. Okay, nice. Next, last one for application, we have the Viber app. After this, we'll have the SMS. Still sending message to Sam. Hopefully it works with the Viber application. Hi, where are you? Message sent. Okay, we have here the notification, and as you can see here, we do have a logo, the name of the sender, and the message. How about the call? Okay, so we're calling Sam, and as you can see here, we do have incoming call notification. Let's go back again to the notification section of the smartwatch. Notifications, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the previous messages has been overwritten, so it can store at least 8 notifications or messages here on the smartwatch. So far, it works with the popular applications such as Viber, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp application. So before we end, let's try to send an SMS notification. So this is SMS. Message sent. Hopefully it works. It works very well with message notifications or app notifications. Hopefully it works with SMS, and we have it here. So we do have a very good notification feature for the Huafit Watch S10. It works with app notifications as well as SMS notifications. The only thing is there's no support for emoji, and at least only 2 sentences is supported for our Huafit Watch S10, but there's a scrolling feature for long messages. So that's it for our demo of the smart notification function of the Huafit Watch S10. Watch our video also, our second video for the Bluetooth call notification or the Bluetooth call support of the Huafit Watch S10. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.